Hi, my name's Craig, my wife Annett, and we run a little production company, manufacturing business called Fun Signs GC. We've been doing it for about 12 years now, and we make timber signs, and we also make photo frames that we engrave. Well, we're looking for a business where we could actually make things with our hands. Used to sell someone else's product, similar product, and then we thought we might do the same thing but slightly different because we personalise on site. So we make an engraved timber sign and then we add people's names to that sign, which makes it, for them more personal, and it's something that no one else is doing. Because Sam was maintaining our original machine, and he suggested that we go with a MASSO unit purely because it's so much more user-friendly and it's a lot more reliable, whereas we were having a lot of issues with our previous machine. And we were also interested in that one because it now had air-cooled spindle operation instead of water-cooled. And we just found that with the MASSO unit, the new one, it's on a larger screen, whereas our original one was on a very small controlling unit. So it was very difficult to keep track of the files and various aspects. We're not having the issues of downtime anymore because it's very reliable and easy. We're very happy with it. We believe that MASSO has been such an advantage to our business that it's a game changer.